Hello, good morning class 3. Today we are going to start new chapter from science, that is chapter 10, stars, planets and the moon. Now first of all let us start from stars. Okay, what are stars? We can see uncountable stars twinkling in the sky. They are very far from us. Stars are huge balls of burning gases. So what are stars? Stars are huge balls of burning gases. Okay. So at night you can see in the sky stars are twinkling in the sky. Okay. So they are very far from us. Okay. And that is why it looks very small from the earth. Understood? So next one is sun. The sun is also a star. It is closest star to the earth. It appears so big. It is made up of hot gases. So you can see the picture, this is sun. Okay, it is made up of hot gases and it is the closest star to the earth. Understood? And sun is also a star and it is closest to the earth. That is why we get heat and light from sun. Okay, and it appears so big as compared to star. Okay. Now next one is constellation. Stars form different patterns or design in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellations. So you can see the picture here. So the group of stars form a design or patterns in the sky. Okay. So that design or patterns are called constellation. Understood? So here are some examples. Orion and Ursa Major. Okay. Orion is also known as the Great Hunter. Okay. This is the pattern design formed in the sky, and Ursa Major. So this is Ursa Major. This is a design or pattern formed in the sky. This is called the Great Bear also. Now next one is, what are planets? So there are 8 planets in our solar system. Planets are huge round objects that go around the sun. 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So you have already read that the planets in the previous class also. So there are how many planets in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay. So what are the names of the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, while Neptune is the farthest planet. So you can see the picture, this is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. So Mercury is the closest to the sun. Okay. And Neptune is the farthest from the sun, because means Neptune is far from the sun. Okay. And Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. So Jupiter is the biggest planet among all the planets. Okay. So Jupiter is the biggest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet, Venus is the hottest and Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. So Mercury is the smallest planet and Venus is nearer to the sun and it is the hottest planet among all. Okay. And Neptune is the farthest from the sun and it is coldest planet among all planets. Planets do not have their own light, they get light from the sun. So the planets do not have their own light, they get light from the sun. Okay. So next one is, planets move around the sun. You can see all the planets move around it in their own fixed path called orbits. So, you can see how the planets move around the sun. At the center of the solar system, this is sun. Okay. So, this all 8 planets move around the sun. You can see the video here, and this is the path where the planets move around the sun. It cannot change. Okay. So, this path is called orbits. Okay. So, this is the movement of the planets around the sun. Now, next one is the moon. Okay. The moon is the closest neighbor of the earth in the sky. It is the natural satellite to the earth. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. So, moon is only the natural satellite of the earth. It is nearer to the earth, okay, in the sky, and it is the natural satellite of the earth. So, it is an object that revolves around the planet. So, moon revolves around the planet earth, okay, where we live, okay. So, moon move around the earth. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. The moon takes 24 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. So, moon takes 24 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. Moon also spins or rotates on its own axis is called rotation. So, moon also rotate on its own axis, okay, that is called rotation. It does not have its own light, it gets from the sun. Moon, like planets, moon also doesn't have their own light, they get light from the sun. The shape of the moon changes every night. So, we can see in the sky every night moon changes its shape. Okay. Now, phases of the moon. When the moon is between the sun and the earth, moon that faces the earth does not get any sunlight, so the moon is not visible from earth. This phase of the moon is known as new moon. Okay. So, when the moon is between the earth and the sun, so at that time the moon faces the earth, okay, and it does not get any sunlight. So, that is why it is not visible from the earth. So, that phases of the moon is called new moon. Next one is, after 3 days of the new moon, we can see a small part of the moon. This stage is called the crescent moon. So, you can see the picture here, this is called crescent moon. After 3 days of the new moon, okay, some part of the moon can be visible. So, that phase of the moon is called crescent moon. After 7 days of the new moon, we can see half of the moon. This stage is called the half moon. So, after 7 days of the new moon, we can see the half portion of the moon. Okay, that is called half moon. After 10 days of the new moon, we can see more than half of the moon. So, after 10 days of the new moon, we can see the more than half of the portion of the moon. Okay, that is called gibbous moon. After 14 days of the new moon, the moon reaches the opposite side of the earth. In this position, the entire side of the moon that faces the earth gets sunlight. This is called full moon. So, after 14 days of the new moon, the moon faces the earth, okay, where they get sunlight from the sun. So, that is called full moon. Now, this is phases of the moon. This is new moon. This new moon faces to the earth, that is why it is not visible, and this is called new moon. And crescent, then half moon, then gibbous, and last one is full moon. Now points to be remembered. Stars are the huge balls of burning gases. They produce heat and light of their own. So stars are the huge balls of burning gases. So they produce heat and light of their own. That means stars have heat and light of their own. Groups of stars that appear to form different patterns or design in the sky are called constellations. So a group of stars form design or patterns in the sky, that is called constellation. Planets are huge round objects that go around the sun. So there are 8 planets in our solar system, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, which goes around the sun. The sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. So the sun and the 8 planets, okay, sun is at the center of the solar system, and sun and 8 planets form a solar system. A natural object that goes around the planet is called natural satellite, okay. So natural object that goes around the planet, that is moon, okay, that is called natural satellite. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. So we have already read that the different phases of the moon, okay, these are called phases of the moon. Thank you.